Class 10 students, I am solving problems based on quadratic equation. Exercise 6b from Concise Mathematics, Shelina Publisher. Sum number 7. See here, a footpath of uniform wide runs round the inside of a rectangular field 32 meter long and 24 meter wide. If the path occupies 208 meters square, find the width of the footpath. So width I have considered x here, let. So in the diagram only I have written everything. So students, what they do, they write here, again they write here, but once you are writing in the diagram, that is sufficient. So all will be this x, width of the road will be x. Now since the path is inside the footpath, so here in the diagram only everything I have written. Outside length is 24, in the question only it is given. Outside width and breadth is 34. So this length, if you consider x, so this is x, this is also x, this is also x, this is also x. So inside length will be 32 minus 2x. Why 2x? Because this side x and that side x we are subtracting, that is 2x minus. Similarly width also 24 minus 2x, this side x and that side x. So everything is written here. Now according to the question, area of the path, see I have written here, path area 208. So path area equal to outer rectangle's area minus inner rectangle's area. So outer rectangle length into breadth, inner rectangle also length into breadth. So this is the length and breadth. Now see here what the student do, they multiply this thing, but see I have not multiplied. I keep it like this because here also this into this will come, then you multiply inside, this has come. So if you remove bracket, see plus minus, it is cutting. So no need to multiply. This is the technique of the sum, because if you multiply it will take a lot of time. Ultimately it will cut. So what is the profit? Better you keep in this way. Now everything you take in the left hand side here, then divide whole equation by 4. So it is reducing its number. So calculation will be very easy. Now see middle term break factorization. This 26 2 is at 52. So it is coming this. So two factors we have got. Now either or, either this equal to 0. So you are getting x equal to 26. But we cannot take 26. Why? Because if you take here 26 and put here, then what will come inside this rectangle's breadth will come negative. That's why we cannot take here. So other factor x minus 2 equal to 0. From there you get x equal to 2. That is the answer. Now sum number 8. Two squares have side x centimeter and x plus 4 centimeter. So I have drawn two rectangles here and here also. So this side x and this side x plus 4. There the sum of area, their area is this. Express this an algebraic equation in x. So this is the algebraic equation, and solve the equation to find side of the square. So these sides, this area square, that is side square formula x square, and this square's area, this side square. So if you take this square and sum according to the question, this is the area. Now a plus b whole square formula you break down. This one bring left side, divide the whole equation by 2. Then you see middle term factorization you do. Now either or. So x minus 16 equal to 0 and x plus 20 equal to 0. But x cannot be minus because x is the length of the side of square. So you have to take positive value only. So x is 16 and x plus 4 is 16 plus 4, that is 20. So side you have got 20 and 16. That's all. This sum I have not done. You try this sum. If you cannot do, then you can ask me. This one also it is left for you. This sum I am doing. A farmer has 70 meter of fencing with which he encloses 3 sides of a rectangular sheep pen. See, 3 sides, 1 2 3 sides, and other side, 4th side being a wall. See the wall I have marked, wall. if the area of the pen, that is this area is 600 square meter, find the length of its shorter side. So it is given fencing. Fencing means we have to consider perimeter. So perimeter will, if I consider this one x, one lead you have to write, direct in the diagram you write lead. Then according to the question, here you can write ATQ, according to the question ATQ, this y plus y, that is 2y, and x, I have not taken this x, I have not taken this x, because perimeter only this one is the fencing, this wall is not considered, is equal to 70, it is given in the question. From here, and the area is given 60, so area is length into breadth, length is x and breadth is y, so length into breadth equal to 60. So from here you find the value of y. Now this value you put here, y value you put here, then do LCM, then do cross multiplication, bring one side, do middle term factorization, then do either or. So x is becoming 30 or 40. You put here 30, if you put here, then you will get y one value. 40 if you put here, then another value. So which one is shorter, 40 or 30? 30 is shorter, so shorter side is 30. Find the length of its shorter side, it is told. So shorter side is done. That's all for this video.